visit us here at the OUTDOORS7 SUMMIT 2023 at the Ayala Terraces here in Cebu.
I just want to celebrate. I just want to celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day, good life. I just want to celebrate all night.
Hi everyone, my name is Mimi Barbajo and we are from School Cebu. So we are so grateful because Department of Tourism 7 launched this event called OUTDOORS7 Summit, and we were invited to be part of this. And we are happy because this is the first time that we are taking part of this special event, and it's outdoors. So we are happy because we believe that the great outdoors is not only for the adults but also for the kids. So let them have fun and discover more about themselves. So nurture your child's curiosity through nature-based play and exploration. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We are here at Outdoor Summit 2023, and we're very excited because we get to showcase the many outdoor adventure trails that we co-created with the outdoor adventure community for the past 3-4 years. So there's, as I have said, from the kayaking routes in Bohol to the peaks of Negros Oriental and the vistas of Siquijor, and to the bike camps and paragliding activities in Cebu. It's jam-packed, and it's something that we are very passionate about at the DOT, and would like to see the growth of the outdoor community in the next years to come.
Once maglupad ka, ingon ani ra jud, dili siya kaog, dili siya any shaky motion, mura ra gid ka giduyan. Ingon ani ra gid siya, ang movement depende sa hangin, anaon ra gid ka.
This is your first time doing it? Oh, nice. So
It was also to encounter that kind of